Curious about the difference between credit score tracking and credit monitoring? It's a common question, but the distinction is crucial for maintaining healthy credit. Let's dive in. Credit score tracking typically involves keeping tabs on your credit score over time. It's like having a dashboard that shows you how your credit score fluctuates based on factors like payment history, credit utilization, and new inquiries. It's a valuable tool for understanding your credit health and tracking your progress towards your financial goals. On the other hand, credit monitoring goes a step further by actively alerting you to changes in your credit report. This includes things like new accounts opened in your name, changes to your credit limits, or suspicious activity that could indicate identity theft. It's like having a watchful eye on your credit around the clock, providing peace of mind and security, whether you're focused on improving your credit score or safeguarding against identity theft. Both credit score tracking and credit monitoring play essential roles in maintaining healthy credit. Ready to take control of your credit journey? Explore our comprehensive credit solutions today and start building a brighter financial future. Your credit health matters. Let us help you protect it.